Shopify makes launching an online store ridiculously easy. You get website hosting, payment tools, inventory management, themes, and a massive app ecosystem all in one platform. The problem? The monthly subscription is rarely the only thing you pay for. Depending on your business, you may need paid apps for subscriptions, advanced reviews, email marketing, shipping, or other features. Payment processing fees can also apply, and using a third party payment provider can add extra costs on some plans. None of this makes Shopify a bad platform. In fact, its biggest strength is convenience. You can launch a professional online store without building everything from scratch or hiring an entire IT department. But those add-ons can slowly turn a reasonably priced plan into a much larger monthly expense because apparently your online store also needs its own collection of subscriptions. Shopify is still one of the best platforms for building and scaling an online store. Just don't judge the cost by subscription price alone.